The first step is transcription. So you have this button here that have the same native function as Premiere Pro, so nothing new there. I'm just gonna go ahead and transcribe it. As you can see, it already transcribed my clip, but I wanna go through the settings and tweak it a bit. So I'm gonna open this section, transcribe settings, set the language, and save. And in the caption settings, I like it to be around 22, 20, and maybe single word caption. Save. Once your transcription is finished, you can already see the transcript on your timeline. The next important step is to export your transcript in an SRT format. So I'm gonna click here, save it where I can find it again, and import it again. Now comes the fun part. Choose the caption animation template you would like to use, and you will get that for free if you get this plugin. But what really saves time, the color management system. Instead of manually changing colors for every layer, Captions Lab read your editable colors, properties inside your Monger file, and automatically applies the color palette you select. I'm gonna show you how it works. For example, I have this color palette right here, and I can choose the default color for my text and for stroke, and as well, if needed, for effect, color, and box. And if you want to change the color palettes, you can come to this section here and insert your own brand's color. Maybe for your clients, maybe for your YouTube channel, you decide. And it will stay there forever and easily accessible. So now let's move on to the next step. You would like to choose whether you want to apply those captions on the whole sequence or only a range. And here you can choose your target lane. If you choose V2, it will insert it here just above my A roll. Click Create Graphics from Captions and see what happens. And as you can see, it already started creating captions without me having to do anything. Now I have a good starting point. Now I can do the creative part. As you can see, I have jumped all the technical steps that would hinder my creativity. I'm not fighting keyframes or whatsoever. Now, the only thing I can do is just adjust the position of the layers and how long they should stay on the screen. And let's do that. A really nice tip, I use hammer spoon with this dial from Logitech. They're not sponsoring this video, but I found this really handy. Instead of going to find my position or scale, I can just customize those buttons and use that dial to change the scale, for example, in this case. So if you can get your hands on these and know how to use it, that's going to be a real advantage. And now, because we are dealing with text box captions in this video, I'm gonna show you how that also works. I'm gonna open Smart Captions, select my Monger file or source folder, and I'm gonna choose Smart Caption. I want to apply it only on this section. Check that out. Here we go. Text box captions. In and out, choose lane number 5 and generate captions. Here we go. We can go ahead and remove that old one, but actually I didn't want it that way. I didn't want it to have it like word per word, so I'm gonna remove that, transcribe again, because our transcription was putting a timestamp on each single word. I'm gonna choose this one. This is how you create this cool text box animation. So we have text box together, which is good, and we're gonna select that one. And if I want to change anything, I can go to Property section. I'm gonna remove in Premiere Pro, go Text Correction, Load Captions, and Apply Text to Selected Layer. I'm gonna select all those layers, Apply Text Correction. And here we go. We have Text Box Captions. We don't need that one, and we're gonna make that a bit bigger. And remember, you always have control. I can come, for example, here. I don't like the color of the text box. I can just go to the settings, fill. Maybe I have chosen to use a gradient color here, and here you go. You can adjust colors. And if you want to apply the same style to all the others, you come here, copy the style, select all, and paste style. Let's see, box captions. The result is a faster, more consistent, and more time spent creating. If this sounds useful, go visit our website, get your free trial, test it on a real project, and tell us what you think. And if you ever find a bug, contact us directly, and you will get 1 year access for free.